Stop it.
Perfect timing. Where are we going, babe?
To get your stupid computer. It's not stupid. To get your computer that will consume all of your time for the next 6 months.
Hey guys, Asian Shop here. Doing my first legit computer build. I decided to go mostly all out on this with an i9 2070 custom water cooling kit. Spent a little over $3,500 on this, so please bear with me as I know I'm not good at it, but be sure to leave tips or critiques in the comments below. Full parts list will also be in the description. Alright, let's get into it. This time I realized I forgot to put the back plate on for the water cooler, so I did that actually off screen. I just didn't want to show you guys me taking it apart and then putting it back on, so that's that. issue I ran into here was if I put the glass on, it would push on the hoses and potentially just put some extra pressure on them. So I did want to alleviate that, so I ordered some new fittings. I got a couple 90-degree fittings and a couple 45-degree fittings to kind of reroute the hoses to make them a little bit better and make sure that the glass did not affect those hoses. So unfortunately I already filled up the reservoir, so now I have to drain everything and then refill it back up once I put